What is a real estate appraisal? An assessment of a property's market value by a licensed appraiser. What does the term mortgage term refer to in real estate? The length of time until the mortgage is paid off. What is a real estate investment? Purchasing property with the goal of generating income or appreciation. What does the term pre-qualification refer to in real estate? A lender's initial assessment of a borrower's ability to qualify for a mortgage loan. What does the term escrow account refer to in real estate? An account used to pay property taxes and insurance on behalf of the homeowner. What is a title search in a real estate transaction? A search conducted to verify the legal ownership of a property and identify any liens or encumbrances.